You don't have any, like, sensitive views, do you?
Not really. For the most part.
Are you okay with the fan and stuff?
Yeah. I can just voice over. Hello, welcome back. I'm Bri-Anne Alexis, and today I am taking you on my first, I guess, video where I venture outside of hair. This is kind of like a behind the scenes day in my life because I am an actor. I'm not sure if I've said that on any of my recent videos, but I am, and I needed new photos. So I asked the wonderful, beautiful celebrity hair and makeup artist Letitia Grant, she's gonna get so mad when she hears this, to do my makeup for the shoot. She's amazing. I mean, you should see her Instagram. I'm gonna link it below so that you can book her, so that you can follow her. She's amazing. And yeah, you'll see what we end up talking about, a little bit of life, a little bit of Drake, a little bit of Charlotte Tilbury. Please leave me a comment if you know how to use the flawless filter, because spoiler alert, I don't. No clue. Roll the clips.
I like that.
So I'm excited. I think the thing is that I feel like I haven't been, like, it's a weird thing trying to be ready. I don't know how to explain that. Like, recently I just haven't felt ready for things. I just like, okay, we gotta go. Like, this is as best as it's gonna get right now. Let's go.
It's like happening.
It's happening. Like, it's just happening right now. Like, you tried, and
like,
cross your fingers.
in terms of jobs, or like
just
on
everything,
set, like,
just everything. Like, I feel like I've just been running.
I feel like nothing has gone to plan for my 20s. I thought I'd have 2 kids by now.
Really?
So crazy.
That's not crazy, but that's shocking. I mean, wow, most people don't even really want kids like that.
I'm a big kid girl for sure.
Aww.
Well, I don't like other people's kids.
Oh,
But
your kids you love, even though they're not here yet.
yeah.
It's cute.
You have to tell me about the Drake set. How was that?
Oh, it was good.
Yeah.
A lot better than that's for sure. Holy shit.
Brother.
It was honestly really fun. Like, I literally just felt like I was at a wedding. Like, it was so fun. And like, it was basically like just like a big party. And when they had, I had such a funny moment, like when they shot the party scene, like it was literally at like 2:30 in the morning. Stuff, and then there was just like me and my friends, and we were all like just like sitting in the chairs like watching them. Like, it was so funny. Oh my god. But at that point I was getting overtime, so I was like, oh, perfect. I'll gladly get paid. Yeah, I'll gladly get paid overtime to just like watch Drake and the girls party. No. It's weird though, because like, in my opinion, it has such kind, inviting energy. But that's how you like fall into the trap. Like, when we were talking, I was just like, I can understand why girls fall for you. Because he was like, I was like stepping over a chair, and he put out his hand to like help me because I have my like step bag and shit, and I was like, I'm not supposed to like you.
That's funny. But that must be it. Oh my god, I got that Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter and I hate it. I don't know what I did wrong. I thought it was going to go on my foundation. I don't know. It's goopy, weird. I don't know what I did.
What?
And I bought a full version too. I'm like, you idiot.
Did you return it?
No.
What?
I know,
Why?
I'm crazy. I don't know. I'm like, I'm going to make this work. Everybody says it's good.
Did you put it, how did you use it?
Like all over my face like foundation.
Oh, okay, yeah, that's why. I'd never use it all over. Basically, just like on the highest points of your face where you want to be like highlighted.
Yeah.
And probably underneath, or just with like a little bit of concealer.
Okay, did I get 6.5 or did I get 7?
Yeah.
Okay, should have got the little one.
It's an interesting product. Like, I don't know many products like it, so it's definitely not the easiest to work with. But yeah, try like on the high points of your face.
Okay. I'm gonna take it with me and see if it like helps with like a no makeup look.
Yeah. Right. Oh, here it is. Okay, cool. Okay. Do you curl your lashes?
No, I'm terrified of that thing. I'm so scared of that thing. Oh my god.
I'm gonna wipe everything down once we're done, and like just because it takes too much time. Okay, so you don't want me to curl your lashes. You're too scared.
Should we? Wait, were you trying to do like a look like this?
I can. That's no problem.
I don't know. Yeah, whatever you think is good.
Okay.
Just like
I won't
super
make
fresh.
you too scared. I'm just
Okay,
gonna put.
but my lashes are curly already.
They're pretty curly. Yeah.
You think I need it? Say no. I'm scared.
No.
Okay, good. I hate those things so much.
I don't want you to be scared. I'm just putting like a little shadow along your lash line.
That's perfect.
How fantastic was that? Oh my God, I told you, she's amazing at makeup. You can follow her below. I will also have my socials when I'm not on here. I'm definitely on Instagram and TikTok. You've seen the final results. I put them actually in the beginning, the actual photos from the photo shoot, but I'm gonna go ahead and sneak a clip of me at the photo shoot so you can see my face in real time. But as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!